Mindfulness is about being fully present in the moment, recognizing that now is all we truly have. It means paying attention to what you are doing, feeling, and thinking without getting distracted. This concept is central in Buddhism and can help us live happier, more peaceful lives. It involves observing our thoughts and experiences without attachment, leading to a peaceful mind. Why do we need to be mindful? 1. Reduce stress. Mindfulness helps us calm our minds, reducing stress and anxiety. 2. Improve focus. It makes us more attentive and focused, whether we are working, studying, or spending time with family. 3. Enhance well-being. Being mindful can improve our overall sense of happiness and satisfaction. But how to practice mindfulness in everyday life? Number 1. Mindful breathing. Spend a few minutes each day focusing on your breath. Notice the air entering and leaving your body. This simple practice can calm your mind and help you stay present. Number 2. Walking meditation. As you walk, feel the ground beneath your feet. Breathe consciously. Notice the world around you, the colors, sounds, and sensations. This simple practice can calm your mind and help you stay present. Number 3. Eating mindfully. Savor each bite. Be aware of flavors, textures, and nourishment. Put away distractions during meals. This makes eating a more enjoyable and fulfilling experience. Number 4. Driving or commuting mindfully. Use traffic as an opportunity for patience. Observe your surroundings, the sky, trees, and other drivers. This can make even mundane tasks more satisfying and reduce feelings of boredom or frustration. Number 5. Work mindfully. Approach work mindfully. Focus on one task at a time. Breathe deeply when stress arises. This turns a routine activity into a refreshing and grounding practice. Number 6. Mindful interactions. Listen actively when talking to others. Be present in conversations. Show empathy. This improves your relationships and makes conversations more meaningful. Number 7. Review your day. Before sleep, reflect on your actions. Were you kind? Did you practice mindfulness? Forgive yourself for any lapses. Number 8. Gratitude. Appreciate the day's blessings. A warm meal, a smile, a moment of peace. Number 9. Send well wishes to yourself, loved ones, and even those you find challenging. Start small. Begin with a few minutes each day, and gradually increase the time you spend on mindfulness. Be consistent. Try to practice at the same time each day to build a routine. Be kind to yourself. Don't worry if your mind wanders. Gently bring your focus back without judging yourself. Use reminders. Set reminders on your phone, or place sticky notes around your house to remind you to be mindful. Dear viewers, practicing mindfulness as taught in Buddhism can transform our daily lives. By being present and attentive, we can reduce stress, improve our focus, and enhance our overall well-being. Start with small steps, and gradually make mindfulness a part of your everyday routine. With time, you will likely notice positive changes in how you feel and interact with the world around you.